Hey guys, it's Josh here with DesignTutorials.com, where I'm showing you part 3, where we're going to learn how to do a quantity discount for your items. So if you have 1, there's no discount shown here, but if we add, let's say 5, and we update our cart, a 10% discount per item pops in, so your items only cost that instead of around 200 bucks. So let's go to my fresh install, and I'll show you how this is all done. Alright guys, so once you come to your actual site, you need to come to Store, Configuration, and down to taxes at the bottom. We're going to actually be applying a tax discount so it shows up on the actual shopping cart. The first thing is come over to tax type. We need to make a new tax type. And I'm just going to name this discount with a lowercase d, discount with an uppercase d. Then you also want to make sure you have this box checked. So we'll save that. And now it's time to add a tax rate. So we're going to come back to tax rates. We want to add a tax rate. And I'm just going to name this Zebra 5 to 10. And for the display title, I'll just call it a discount. Then for the description, doesn't matter. Then the tax rate, I'm just going to make it 0, and I'll show you why in a second. Then you want discount over here. We'll save that. Then we want to configure the component of this tax rate we just made. We want to add some of the basic rules to it, so our conditions. So our entity has field. We want to pull the product into scope. So the commerce line item, which is a commerce product. Oh, where'd it go? So the commerce product, we're going to save it. Now I want it to know that it has a data comparison. We want to know that it has a SKU. You can leave this blank and it'll apply to all your products if you want. You can also make it a tax where we only have to, I'll show you in a second. So we want it to be the commerce product and then the SKU. I want this discount to only apply to my Zebra, so it's going to equal the Zebra SKU, which is Zebra 001. So I'm going to save that. And I want to say when you buy more than 4 of the Zebras, so data comparison, when you buy more or quantity, so you want it to be quantity, and then when you buy more than 4, and switch this back to direct input, when you buy more than 4, apply the discount. We need one more condition that says when you buy less than 11, still apply the discount. For data comparison, same thing, line item, then quantity. We want it to be lower than. You want this direct input again. But when it's lower than 11, so apply this when it's 5 to 10 products in the shopping cart. So we'll save that. And if you wanted this, you can get rid of this SKU and just make this like 0.1, so it'd be a 10% tax. But I'm just going to get rid of this. And we're going to add an action. And this one's actually going to be subtract an amount from the unit price. So we'll continue. Oops. And this should just be the line item. And then this one should just be whatever you want to take away from it. So I'll just say $20. But you don't write it like that. You write just 2,000 would be 20 bucks. You want it from the discount. And we'll save that. And that one should all be good. So, but what happens when you buy 10 and up? So when you buy 11 or more, we have to add a new rule. So we'll come back to our store, configuration, taxes. We're going to add one more rule for the Zebra. So discount Zebra more and discount 10 plus. You want to be the discount. The base rate could be a 0.1 for 10% or whatever you wanted, 20%. So we'll save that. If you made a base rate of 20%, it'd be good to apply that to all your products. It'd be way easier than doing it by every product. If I only have 4 products, it'd be really easy to do it the way I'm doing it. So we're going to configure the component of 10 more, or 10 plus. We need to view that product again, so let me just do that real quick. So I just said if it's a product and it has this SKU, just like we did before, I'm going to add a condition and say data comparison, but if there's more than 10 in the shopping cart, so line item, quantity, continue. If there's more than 10, so greater than, then direct input, and then greater than 10, apply this new discount. And you can use the tax if you want, but it's difficult if you have a promotional discount too. It won't take off the 10% that you hope. So we're going to add an action, and we're going to subtract amount from the unit price. And for this one, I'll say 2,500. Let's just say 5,000, just so I know what's going on. You want this to be discount again. So we'll save that. And now it should be ready to roll. So it says entity is a commerce product. It has this SKU, and it's greater than 10 of them in the cart. Apply this discount. Let's go see if it works. So let me go to my products. And if you see, this is there's no quantity little section here, so let's add that real quick. I'm gonna open up my structure in a new page or new window. We're gonna go to our content types, because that's where that actual product reference is at. And we're gonna manage display of these content types in my basic page. And here's the actual product reference right here. So I'm gonna edit this. Then I want to click display text field quantity widget on the add form. Add to cart form. We'll save that and we'll save that. Then this should look a little better. Now I'm going to refresh this page. You can see there's my quantity button. So I'll just add one for now just to show you what it looks like. So we're going to view the cart. You see my zebra is $200 and that's the original cost of it. So let's add 5 and see what happens. We're going to update. So it took that $20 off. But it doesn't look good because you can't really see what's going on here. And I took off my components just so I could show you again. You'll come to edit your view, and under price, you'll click on the price and switch this to formatted amount with components, and we'll apply that. And after we save, you can also do it with the total if you want to put that formatted amount in components, but you can do that on your own. And now it shows that we're getting $20 off per product. And let's see what it looks like if we do 11, because that was our other rule. Should take whatever, yeah, $50 off per product. So only 150. And if we let's go to checkout. So you should get $550 discount over here. It's right there. And I think I switched the components on these too. So I went to here, edited my view. And then I went to my total and my price. And I just turned on the components right here. And that's pretty much all that. And I hope that's helpful for adding discounts. And I will talk to you guys soon about something else.